guys, welcome to Just Upright. So today I'm going to share with you the problem that I encountered with my Windows 10. The problem is that I had videos from my phone that wouldn't play on the computer. We had our computer was worked on by an computer guy in IT to clean it up, make it faster. So when I save my videos, what happened, I'm going to share with you my screen. So what happened is, so I saw this, this icon. All my videos were this icon. There's no preview of what's, what the video is all about. Okay, so I tried to click it and it says error. The codec is not installed. And then I tried to play it with other media player. It wouldn't play. It says error. Codec is not installed or not compatible, something like that. So I tried to click it and open it with under photos. And what it did is, I'm gonna show you. So what it did is this, but what happened is the file.mp4, and it says install additional codecs to work with this file. So it says download codecs at Microsoft Store. So what I did is I clicked on this, download the codecs at Microsoft Store, and it will take you here to HEVC video extensions. So, and that is buy it for 99 cents. So I click on the buy it, I download it, install it, and then what happened is it made those videos to work again. Not working before, and I watched so many YouTube videos on how to fix it, and they're advising you to download app from internet, and I don't know if I can trust those internet websites. But this, at least it prompted from the Windows itself what application will work. So just a recap, if your video is not playing, it will play the audio but not the video on your Windows 10. What I did and what worked for me is I right-click it and open it through photos, and then it will prompt you. It says install additional codecs to work with this file, and it has like a link, download codecs at Microsoft Store. So that's why I knew it can be trusted, because I have Windows 10 Microsoft. So, and then I can buy the codecs from the Microsoft Store, and it's just 99 cents. And then you click it, buy for 99 cents, launch it, and then go back to the folder where you have the video and play it, and it will play and it will work. So hopefully this is the answer to those who are having problems with playing their videos in Windows 10. And stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button below. It is for free for the latest video updates. Thank you for your support, and stay blessed.